In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Enterprise Rent-A-Car app on Android. First, let's open the Google Play Store. You will see a familiar icon that looks like a shopping bag with a play symbol on it. This is where you can find and download various applications for your Android device. If you don't have the Play Store on your device, it may be located in your app drawer or on your home screen. Once you tap on the icon, the store will load, displaying various categories and recommended apps. This step is essential because it is the gateway to accessing countless applications, including the one we need today. Next, let's tap the search bar. You will find this at the top of the screen. Once you tap on it, your keyboard will pop up, allowing you to enter text. This bar is crucial for finding specific applications quickly. Typing in the name of the app ensures that you are directed to the correct one without having to scroll through countless options. This saves you time and helps avoid confusion with similar apps. Now, type Enterprise Car Rental into the search bar. Make sure to spell it correctly to avoid any errors. As you type, you might notice suggestions appear below the bar. This feature can help you find the app even faster. Entering the exact name of the app is important because it ensures that you locate the specific application we want to download. Once you have finished typing, look for the search icon or press enter. After that, select Enterprise Car Rental by EAN Services LLC from the list of results. You will see the app icon, which typically features a bold design with the Enterprise logo. Choosing the correct app is vital to ensure you download the official version. This prevents issues later on, such as downloading a fake or unsupported app. When you tap on the app, you will be taken to its detail page where you can see more information about it. Next, tap the Install button. This button is usually green and is prominently displayed on the app's page. When you tap it, the download process will begin automatically. You will see a progress bar indicating how much of the app has been downloaded. This step is important because it initiates the process of getting the app onto your device. Now wait for the download to finish. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few moments. It's essential to be patient during this step, as interrupting the download may cause it to fail. Once the download is complete, the app will be installed on your device automatically. You will see a notification or a message indicating that the installation is successful. Next, tap Open to launch the app. This button usually appears right after the installation is complete. Tapping it will take you into the Enterprise Car Rental app, where you can begin to explore its features. Opening the app immediately after installation is a great way to get started without having to search for it later. You might see a welcome screen or prompts to help you navigate through the app. At this point, you will need to sign in or create an Enterprise account. If you already have an account, simply enter your credentials. If you are new to Enterprise, follow the prompts to create a new account. This step is crucial for managing your bookings and personalizing your experience within the app. Having an account also allows for easy access to your rental history and preferences. Finally, start booking and managing your car rentals. The app is designed to make this process straightforward and user-friendly. You can choose your rental dates, select your vehicle type, and manage your existing bookings all in one place. This convenience is what makes the app valuable for anyone who needs a rental car. With everything set up, you are ready to hit the road with ease and confidence. Enjoy your journey.